If you're serious about growing your garden, here's a tip I learned years ago. When plant shopping, look for plants that can be divided, like this Navajo princess. I bought one container, but the nursery pot actually had 12 plants after I divided it. 12! With a little extra work, you too can easily transform your garden into a beautiful, lush, and abundant space where plants thrive. I often choose succulents because I can divide them, or I can propagate them by cuttings. I gathered some cuttings today, several different types and shapes and colors of succulents. And I'll tuck those succulent cuttings in with these Navajo Princess. This is going to be really pretty. I'm going to do several different containers, and in time they'll fill out nicely. And in a few years I'll be able to divide these too. So when you're plant shopping, make sure that you do that. Look for things that you can buy that can be divided, and it really pays off in the long run. Now stay with me and watch till the end as I fill this container and a few more containers full of the cuttings and the Navajo Princess that I divided. And if you find this is helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like, and share. Really appreciate it. I've also done several shorts on propagation, and so if you're interested in that and how to expand your garden by using plants that you already have to divide or to propagate in other ways, check out the shorts that I have. And I hope you find those helpful too. And Larry the lazy cat came by to say hey, make sure I was doing everything the right way. Hey Larry. Guest appearance. And I just did some last minute adding of some pumice just to dress it up a little bit. And the finished products, there they are. Everybody get out there, garden your hearts out, and enjoy life. It's a beautiful thing.